Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. For people who are absconded from Sharjah and Abu Dhabi, Air Arabia, abscons and Cosmo abscons, your abscond removal charges are 1,750 dirhams and you'll pay a security deposit of 500 dirhams. It's refundable once you change your status. That's for the charges. Now people are absconded and they have to go to Saiwan. You need to go with three things: your abscond removal application, your fine reduction application, and most importantly, your labor contract. If you don't have these things, don't go to Saiwan. Once you have all these things, you can go the very next day to Saiwan and clear your documents over there. But remember, it's you who has to go there. No agent will go on your behalf, not me, not any agent who has applied for fine reduction or who has put your abscond removal application, or even your employer who wants to hire you. It's you who has to go because you are the main applicant. So the applicant has to go himself or herself.